Okay, so let's go through question number 2. I did not do number 1 because it's just a basic system of equations and you should know how to do those by now. But you will be able to check your answer. There'll be a slide at the end. So we have Jackson. He wants to put some tape around a rectangular area. He knows that if you combine the length and width, you get 92 feet. That's why we have the second equation right here. And he only has, sorry for the typo, he only has 180 feet of tape. So to find perimeter, you double the length and you double the width. So that's why we have that first equation. So we have to solve this in order to figure out the number of possibilities for the length and the width. So to solve this system, we have to multiply the second equation by 2. So we're going to get 2L plus 2W equals 184. And then here we had 2L plus 2W equals 180. So my both of my coefficients are 2 for L and for W. So if I subtract, the length and the width both go away, and that leaves me with 0 equals -4. This is not a true statement, you guys. So this means, because these numbers are not the same, this means there's no solution. So he's not going to be able to put the tape around this perimeter because he doesn't have enough. He's short 4 feet of tape, it looks like, because he only has 180 feet, right? But if you add 92 and 92, that's 184. So if you go to the next slide, these are the answer choices you're going to see, right? So you may have not understood what 0 equals -4 meant, but hopefully when you see the answer choices, you would understand that there's no solution. Even if you don't know why, there's no solution, right? It doesn't have 1, and it's certainly not infinite. It would have been infinite solutions if we had gotten 4 equals 4 or 0 equals 0, if we had gotten the same number on both sides. But since we got different numbers, that means no solution. And this is the reason why, right, we got a number greater than 180. So this one was a little tricky, but really just solve the system, solve it, and then based on what you get, start narrowing down what the answer choices could be, right? If there were one solution, you would be trying to pick out of these two. But because there's no solution, there was only one choice here.